Now, if you want to adjust the zoom levels for your charts, you can scroll the magnification settings in the top right corner. We have this magnification wheel. So if I move this left and right, you're going to see it expand or get a little bit smaller. If you're using a mouse with a scroll wheel, you can also move it up and down, and it will also give you the same zoom or magnifying settings like that. Let me get rid of that drawing. Okay. And if you notice, as I move my cursor on any one of these candles and position on any one of them, it's going to give us some details about where that candle opened, where it closed, the high and low of it as well. But if you're finding this going to be a little bit invasive on your technical analysis, you can click on this drop-down menu here. And this would change the position of where this information is located. So now if I select this menu, maybe the first option, now it just displays in the top left. So as I'm moving it, there's no more crosshair. It's just displaying that information in the top left. Or if you want it on the right side, it'll show there. So just explore what settings works for you. I kind of like it on the second one where I can see where the high low closes as I'm moving it with the crosshair. Let's clear this out. Let's change this back to a daily time frame. And you may have noticed these vertical lines coming across the charts. These just kind of show you the monthly expiration. So if you're an option trader, these vertical lines might help you so you can plan for any upcoming expiration cycles. Okay. And if your chart is all the way on the right side like this, where the current candle is, and you want to change the expansion area just to look at any future price projections, you can left click anywhere on the chart, hold and drag it left and right. This way you can move your charts back and forth. Another thing you can do is go back into your settings here. And if we open up the chart settings again, go to the layout. Let me get rid of this drawing. And where it says right margin is currently set on 3, but if you move it up to something much higher, maybe 30, you're going to see that right margin also expand for us. So if you're looking for a different future price action from the indicators you may add, it might help to have a little bit more area to the right. Or again, you can just left click, hold and drag it back and forth.